Now let's look at some of the checkpoint 5 materials problems. First, let's look at problem number 2. Problem number 2 is interesting because it has a big fraction bar. So we have to do everything in the top of that fraction before we can divide by -3. So we'll begin -5 plus, remember, multiplication for addition, so -6 times 2/3. Well, we know 1/3 of -6 is -2. Double that, we get -4. Still can't do the division because we still have something in the top part of the fraction we haven't simplified yet. -5 plus -4, adding two negatives together is a bigger negative, so -9. -9 divided by -3. Negative divided by negative is a positive, so the answer is +3. Next, let's take a look at problem number 8. Problem number 8. Problem number 8 is worth mentioning because we have an exponent, but we also have that minus sign out in front. So there's always a question in students' minds, is this -6 times -6, or is it the opposite of 6 times 6? And the answer is, it's this. If it was this, -6 times -6, then it would be written like this, a negative times itself. So, the exponent comes first. -6 times 6 is 36. Multiplication has to happen before the addition. 4 times 8 is 32. -36 plus 32 is -4. Next, let's look at problem 15. Problem 15, notice, that's a negative times a negative. That's -2 times -2. So we start with those exponents because there's nothing to do inside that parentheses. -2 times -2 is +4. And 2/5 of 25. Well, 25 over 1 times 2/5 is 50/5, which is just 10. So that's 10. Multiplication comes next. 11 times 4 is 44. Next is the addition, because left to right. 16 plus 44 is 60. 60 minus 10 is 50. There's 3 worked examples out of the materials problem, leaving 21 more for you to practice. Remember, the answers are right beneath these problems in your electronic book or on the resource page packet.